Those two tutorials for patrons of the St. Louis County Library on how to log into the library website from home and see what online databases are available that can aid in your genealogy. In your web browser, type www.slcl.org to get to the St. Louis County Library website. Click on My Account in the upper far right corner to log in. Type in your last name, library card number, PIN, and hit enter or click on Submit. To get back to the main library page, click on St. Louis County Library in the upper right corner. Put your mouse pointer on Research and then click on Online Genealogy Resources. There are 4 pages of databases. The most helpful ones for genealogy are America's Obituaries and Death Notices, Newsbank. On the second page, you will find Fold 3, a military database. And then there is Heritage Quest, which has the census records. There's the Illinois State Archives, the Death Index and the Marriage Index, and the Missouri Death Certificate Database. These databases will give you a good start in providing birth and death dates, parents and sibling names, as well as other useful information on your ancestors to add to the family tree.